If you're looking for one of the fastest ways to boost your checkout conversion and make more money, look no further than coupons. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder of this e-commerce platform right here called SamCart, and we are home to more than 15,000 entrepreneurs who have sold more than $5 billion of their own products, goods, services, courses, event tickets, everything else through our platform. And all day, every day, we study that data to find things that are going to help make you more money. And here's a wild stat that we found a few months ago. We found that orders where a coupon code was applied convert 296% higher than orders that do not. And so today we're super excited to introduce you to the newest feature inside of SamCart, single-use coupons. Let's dive into a SamCart account. I'll show you how it works, and then I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can use this new feature to boost your conversions today. Creating your coupons inside of SamCart is very, very simple. We're going to come to the Offers tab. From the Offers tab, you will click then on the Coupons tab, where you can see all of your coupons. You can see whether they are applied to all products or just some products. You can see the discount. You can see the actual coupon code. And then we can come over here and click Create New Coupon. Under Create New Coupon, this is where you're going to go ahead and give it a coupon name. So if I just said one time, that's what your customers are going to have to go plug in. Then it's a percent or a flat rate. I'll just say this is a 25% off coupon. Is it applied to all products or specific products? I'll keep it simple and just say this one is all. And then here is the new feature, coupon usage. You can have it apply one time. One time means that one customer gets to use it and no one else does. So if you needed to make something very specific for one specific customer, you could do one time right here. One use per email address, I think, is where most of you guys are probably going to live here, which is to say each customer could use this coupon one time. So I, Scott, could use this coupon one time, right? You, the viewer, could go and use this coupon, the same coupon code one time. Then you can schedule a duration, which is to say that my coupon has a start date or an end date. You can also say that it allows recurring discounts if you're selling subscriptions, things like that. But I'll go ahead and just click Create Coupon. Now, if I open up a SamCart checkout page of mine and I hit Add Discount Code and I do one time and hit Enter, we have now added that 25% discount. Refreshing this page, if I wanted to actually apply this coupon code automatically for my customers, so when they come here, it's automatically applied. You can do that really, really simply. I just open up this URL bar and I just add question mark, coupon equals, and then the name of the coupon code, right? And so if this is all I did and I click enter, right, you can see someone's going to land on this page and the coupon code is automatically applied. We'll talk about this more in just a second. You can also do this from a slide checkout as well. But any SamCart checkout, you guys can auto apply coupons for your customers. Something that we are seeing is really driving up conversion. Super powerful stuff. So now that you know how to create a single-use coupon inside of SamCart, let's talk about how you should be using it and where it goes inside your business. The first strategy is what we call auto discounting. So you can take the URL to any SamCart checkout and apply coupon equals and put your coupon code in quotes, and a coupon code will automatically be applied when your visitor hits that page. You can even do this with SamCart's slide checkout. Anytime you're adding slide checkout to a page, there's a little spot in the code that says coupon equals with 2 quotation marks. Drop a coupon code there and your customers will have a coupon auto-applied to their order when they click and open your checkout page. Strategy number 2 is expiring coupons. You can set a start date and or an end date when you create a coupon. So that means you can create a coupon specifically to help for your next big webinar, your next big product launch, that next big sale you have coming up. Use coupons that expire when your sale expires and use it to boost your conversions. Strategy number 3, use it as customer follow-up. Send an email to every single one of your brand new customers with a discount code to come back and buy something else. And to show you how important this really is, let's look at another stat we know from the SamCart database, is that while only 13% of your customers will become repeat customers, that cohort accounts for 46% of total revenue across SamCart. Meaning, focus a little bit of time, attention, and energy, and maybe use a coupon code to help drive more repeat sales and grow your bottom line. And strategy number 4 is to use one-time discounts in your paid traffic campaigns. So if you have an ad that's bringing cold people to an offer you have, or maybe you're even just running cart abandonment campaigns and bringing back people who didn't place their order, give them one-time discounts at that point of sale. And watch how your conversion rate and your ROAS start ticking up and up and up. With SamCart, dynamic coupons is a tool to help you make more sales. We are super excited to roll out this brand new one-time use coupon feature to your account. Make sure that you head over to samcart.com to test drive SamCart today. Test this out against your current checkout page, and if you want our team's help migrating your entire business over to SamCart, there's a link down below this video. Click on that link and come and talk with a member of our team to talk about how SamCart can best be used to make you more and how you can get white glove service, making the change easier than ever. With that, I'm Scott Moran, co-founder here at SamCart. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back with more features real soon.